How to create multiple instances of video in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform into your video in timeline. With your video selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Effects tab. Under Advanced Options, change Edge Behavior to Wrap Around. Then under Position Controls, decrease zoom value until you're happy with the number of instances. Now we have the instances, but let's create an animation that zooms to one of the videos. Move the playhead to where you want to start the zoom. Click on the diamond button next to Zoom to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to end the zoom. Set zoom value to 1 to create the second keyframe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.